In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your unemployment taxes on TurboTax. Before you open anything, start by gathering your tax documents. You'll need your Form 1099-G, which reports the unemployment compensation you received for the year and any records that show federal or state taxes withheld. Make sure the tax year on the form matches the year you're filing, and double-check the amounts. If you don't have your 1099-G yet, it usually comes from your state unemployment office, often available in your online account with that agency. Next, open TurboTax. You can launch the desktop application on your computer or use TurboTax online in your browser. Sign into your account so your information can be saved as you go. From your tax home, either open your current return or start a new one if you're filing for the first time this season. Confirm you're in the correct tax year to avoid confusion later. Now navigate to the Income section. Go to Federal, then Wages and Income. Scroll down until you find the area for unemployment income. You're looking for the section labeled Unemployment and Paid Family Leave, which specifically covers Form 1099-G. When you see Unemployment and Paid Family Leave, Form 1099-G, select Start or Update. If you haven't started a return yet and need quick access to TurboTax, use the link in the description to get into the filing flow and then come back to this spot. Enter your Form 1099-G information exactly as it appears. Type in the unemployment compensation amount, any federal income tax withheld, and state tax withheld if that applies. Don't round or estimate, use the precise numbers. If your form shows a state name or identification number, follow the prompts so TurboTax can match it correctly. Answer the additional questions that appear. These help TurboTax confirm how your benefits were taxed and whether any withholding applies to your federal or state return. Only select the options that truly apply to you and take your time so the calculations are accurate. When you've finished, review your tax return. Check your income summary to confirm unemployment compensation is listed correctly and verify that any withholding amounts match your 1099-G. If something looks off, go back and edit before moving on. Finally, head to the review section to check for any errors, resolve anything TurboTax flags, then follow the prompts to e-file your return. Save a copy of your submitted return and your 1099-G for your records. After filing, watch for your confirmation so you know everything went through successfully. Thanks for watching.